Hi everyone. So you've hired me to research and investigate, to get you answers on why so many dead fish are washing ashore and what's killing them, and how does it affect us as people who go there occasionally and swim, boat, fish, surf, do so many different things in these waters. I understand how afraid we are of what these toxins that I have found can do to us and the fish as well. Well, throughout my research, I believe that the toxin rotenone has gotten into the waters by fish management strategies, where bodies of water, such as this one, have an unbalanced population of fish. So, rotenone is a brownish white and a naturally occurring chemical which is found in roots, seeds, leaves, and several subtropical plants, and has been used as a pesticide and fish killer throughout many years now. Your next question is, how is it going to affect us as people, and how is it killing the fish? How is it getting into them? What is happening, really, is your question. Rotatone is placed into waters through helicopter sprays, backpack sprayers, underwater hose, any way that they can get it into the water is how they do it. But for fish, it enters directly into their bloodstream through their gills. It affects so many tissues and organs in the fish, and it affects the mitochondria in cells which produce energy, therefore leading to death. Also, this is also included in the process of glycolysis, which I will talk about in a minute. In humans, exposure to rotatone may occur through inhalation. It can be me and you going to the water and inhaling it, or it could be the sprayers or anybody of the fish management can be exposed to rotatone through inhalation. Thermal absorption is another way, and the ingestion of fish collected from areas where rotatone has been applied. So, in this, if you go and there's just many possibilities that can cause rotatone to enter our bodies. It can be caused by people infecting the waters with rotatone, you catching a fish, not knowing rotatone is in the water, going home, filleting that fish, and eating it, and now it's in your body affecting you. Exposure to rotatone can cause nausea, vomiting, abdominal cramps, headache, muscle tremors, convulsions, and seizures. That's just some of the side effects of exposure to rotatone. As I was talking before about glycolysis, glycolysis has three major enzymes: hexakinase, phosphate, fructose kinase, I'm so sorry, and pyruvate kinase. Glycolysis is controlled by their enzymes. The metabolic process is affected by the exposure to rotatone is glycolysis. If the process doesn't function, cells lose their ability to maintain their sodium-potassium pumps and eventually die. The overall function of glycolysis is the breaking of sugar molecules to release energy that is required for cellular respiration. Glycolysis can occur in either prokaryotic or eukaryotic cells, but in our case, it's occurring in eukaryotic cells. In my opinion, as I've studied, rotatone can live in the waters for up to 6 months. Depending on when this was entered into the waters is depending on how long we should wait before we go and enjoy our precious waters that we have loved so much. So let's just hold off for just a little while longer on going to this water and swimming, especially swimming, you can go fishing, but just don't eat the fish. You can boat, and if you surf, let's put off swimming and surfing in these waters until we know for a fact that this Rototom is gone from these waters. Thank you guys so much for actually listening to me talk and enjoying my research, and I hope that I was able to help you guys.